Addition of like terms. In algebra, we frequently come across with terms and expressions. The terms are either variables or any constant or any combination of variable and the constant in the form of product. Say, for example, a, 2a, 3a, 4a square, etc. These are some examples of terms. Out of these terms, a, 2a and 3a are like to each other because these three terms are the terms of same kind. This means 1a, this means 2a, this means 3a. So all the terms are saying how many a's are there. So these three terms are like terms, and 4a square is unlike with respect to these three terms because this term has a square. So in order to be like terms, the variable, the base and the respective power must be same. Here a to the power 1, a to the power 1, a to the power 1, all same, but there a to the power 2, that is a square, so that is unlike. While adding the like terms, we simply add the coefficients 1a, 2a and 3a. It means altogether how many a's. So a plus 2a plus 3a. It means here is 1. If there is no coefficient, that means 1. So 1a plus 2a, 3a plus 3a. We get altogether 6a. Let's take another example. Add 3a plus 2a plus 2b plus 4b. Now there are many terms, there are 4 terms. Out of 4 terms, these two are like because this is 3a, 2a. These two are again like. So we can combine these two terms and we can combine these two terms, but we cannot combine a and b. It will be same like adding number of markers and number of copies. There are different things we cannot add. This equals, so 3a plus 2a, 5a, and here is 2b plus 4b. Total b equals 6b. That's the answer. So the rule to add like terms is simply add the coefficients and keep the variable same. Now let's look at some like fractions. Like fractions have the common denominator. For example, 2 over 3 and 1 over 3. These fractions are like because the denominators are same. If the fractions have same denominator, they are called like fractions. If we want to add the like fractions, 2 over 3 plus 1 over 3. Since the denominators are same, the LCM of these denominators will be same, 3. So we just keep the same denominator and we simply add the numerators. Now 2 plus 1. We don't add 3 plus 3. This is very important point, and some students do mistake here. 2 plus 1 equals 3 over 3. Now we can simplify 3 over 3, that means 1. Let's look at another example. Add 2 over 7 plus 1 over 7 minus 4 over 7. Okay. Here also denominators are same, so we keep the denominators same and we just add or subtract the numerators. Here is 2, then plus 1, here is minus 4. This fraction is being subtracted, so minus 4 equals. Now 2 plus 1, both are plus, so we get 3 here, and here is minus 4, so we get plus 3 and minus 4. The difference will be minus 1 over 7. That's the answer. Addition of unlike fractions. Unlike fractions have different denominators. Say for example 4 over 9 and 2 over 3. These two fractions are unlike because the denominators are different. If we want to add or subtract the unlike fractions, the very first thing is to find the common denominator. Here is 9, here 3. So LCM of denominators 9 and 3 equals 9. We can find LCM by factorization method. So therefore 4 over 9 equals 4 over 9 only, because LCM itself is 9, so we don't have to convert it. 2 over 3 equals 2 over 3. Now in order to make this denominator 3 9, we need to multiply by 3, but we cannot multiply denominator only. We have to multiply numerator and denominator both, so that the values remain same. So here also we need to multiply by 3, so that denominator will be 9. So here we are going to multiply by 3 over 3. In fact, that values will remain same. Equals 2 3 times 6 over 9. Now 4 by 9 and 6 by 9. 4 by 9 plus 2 by 3 equals 4 by 9 plus 2 by 3 means 6 by 9. Now denominators are same. If the denominators are same, then we take the LCM. Same denominator, it is 9, then 4 plus 6 equals 10 over 9. We can see here numerator is bigger than the denominator, so we can convert this fraction into mixed number. So 9 in 10 goes one time, and remainder will be 1 over 9. That's the answer. method can also be done or used in slightly different way. That is 4/9 plus 2/3 equals LCM of 9 and 3 is 9, so we write 9 here. Then 9 divides 9, 1, multiplied by numerator, that is 4. Then here is plus 3 divides 9, goes 3 times, multiplied by numerator, that is 2. Then 1 times 4, 4 plus 3 times 2, 6/9. That's what we are getting here. Equals 4 plus 6, 10/9 equals 1 by 9. This is shorter form, but this method and this method, they are equivalent. Here we have done separately. Here we are combining. Subtraction of fractions. Let's take an example. What is 1/4 minus 7/10? It means find the difference of 1/4 minus 7/10. Solution. One 1/4 minus 7/10. This is this is mixed number, so mixed number needs to be changed. We multiply these two, 4 1 time 4, then we add this one, 4 1 time 4 plus 1, that is 5. 5/4 minus 7/10. Here denominators are different. If denominators are different, we take the LCM of denominators. LCM of 4 and 10. 10 2 times 20. 4 also can divide 20. So easily we can say LCM is 20. 4 divides 20, so 4 in 20 goes 5 times, multiplied by numerator 5, then minus 10 in 20 goes 2 times, so 2 times multiplied by numerator, that is 7, equals 5 times 25 minus 2 times 7, that is 14/20, equals 25 minus 14, that is 11/20. That's the answer.